High. This is that wicket that has seen a run fest throughout. Sadakat, who got out for the first time in the tournament.
550 to the best of 96 that is scored in this tournament. As you mentioned, a new partner for Pakistan A in the 7 450s, 200, strike rate of 130. Ball really well. Super over. Been out.
On the money straight away, Ripon trying to steal a six. What a start that could be! And Yasir could be running all the way back to the dugout.
Sakline. Vic that well. And that flick. Batter not even in the frame. Pakistan A lost their first. Bangladesh A picked their first. That's the sort of start Bangladesh A would have hoped for. And they got Yasir depart. Quick call. Even quicker. Abdul Ghaffar. Oh, what a start. What a start. Fielding is...
Bowled him! And it spells trouble for the Shaheens. What's going on?
Pressure. What a start. What a start from this young man. And they'll have a check for the front foot. Length. The line. Outstanding. Pike had no clue whatsoever. On for none.
Goes for the lowest boundary. Was targeting mid-wicket.
Yeah, not the most convincing way. Mas Sadakat, I'm sure the bowler won't mind seeing that shot. The idea was right. To put pressure on the bowler.
Totally undone. With the turn, there was none. Lucky boy. The 300th.
And they are having some at the moment. Ripon Mondal, I'm sure, won't mind keeping his line.
A little half-tracker. All...
There was a fielder at short square leg. It was in the Gori. Taken that chance. Not too far away from that field. Rakibul Islam, Rakibul Hassan, beg your pardon, the left. Career against Afghanistan early on, and he picks up his man right away. He's on fire.
Rakibul. And it just holds his line between the... Are tittering and tottering. 9 of 9 for Ghazi Gor. Field his bat. He has a strike rate of 131, but yet to score a 50.
Edge is going Shaheen's way. Rakibul won't.
The fielders are chiming in. Why don't you keep a slip? Oh, this for Arafat Minas. 8 into his hands.
Long on.
Slip, Akbar Ali. Keep that slip. And 5 is 33 for 3.
Sadakat so far the man of the tournament. Shot in the slot.
And it goes the distance into the side screens. That would lift.
Beautifully hit. What timing. Hold aim. Inside edge.
Once again, not that he's playing. 23 of 18, just got a... Bangladesh strike again. They are in control of this game as Pakistan...
Has been a pivotal part of Bangladesh. Jishan Allah, experienced man, has led the side well. Now, on the leg side, maybe even more. Oh, does it trickle Pakistan Shaheens?
Another comes in. And this one was sliding down the leg side and well played by Arafat.
Been really good 3 overs up front. I think he has a bowler diving for it will be a better choice
to avoid.
Let's let that turn,
and you saw what happened.
In the middle. Arafat Minas looks like a player, certainly. It'll take a little while to get himself and once he right on the money. Pakistan's Giants were 72 for 5 and managed 150.
They were 72 for 5 in the 10 overs, and now they're 62.
Irfan Khan Niazi steps out, tries to beat mid placements today. Mafizur Rahman Rabi.
Good stuff from Bangladesh boys. Even though there was a stumping chance missed, there was a catch drop. Boys have handled the pressure better.
Yeah, squeezing it further.
Bowled him once more! Ooh, for Zakleen.
Mixes his delivery so well. These slow ones brilliantly. The ball keeping a little low. Keeping that pressure on. Fatmina has gone for 25, 64 for 5.
More than what meets the eye. The Tigers fans, in his 21st match, he can wield the bat as well.
Yeah, well, Cameo with the bat and straight away he comes down and 21 deliveries have been over now.
Going past that point fielder, but it was hit so...
Almost chopped it on. Second innings to play. The Shaheens have won this tournament in 2019 and
2019 it was in Bangladesh. Bangladesh were in the final. Or is it that there are demons on this wicket?
See, there's a little bit, but I still feel it started. Look at this one, keeping a little low. But that was the ball is sticking, there is no doubt, but I still feel it's a good pitch to bat off. Somewhere down the line, I feel.
Abdul Ghaffar Zakleen, what a tournament he's had so far.
Want to show what mindset they've come.
Take a look at another leading edge, almost reaching cover. Is that? This is wonderful bowling. But he's been trusted by his captain, he's been trusted by his management, and in the first over he's found it. Brilliant first over from a scoring at 5.83, 70 for 5.
Still have batting to come, and we know, and they have some pinch hitters down the line. Wicket.
I feel from the 16th over, 20th, they've got the best net run rate. From
13 is their run rate in the death overs as of now. To the naked eye, during the toss, a good total, but a competitive total. They have to rechange their plans now.
pitch. When I first saw it.
To be honest, Manipa,
Forget you talk about the batting abilities of Shaheen. Give him some hope. Ooh.
Tom spinners have put in the squeeze. Manipa effective on this wicket.
Pakistan. Use of the fade. On top, he was bowling a little quicker. And now,
Games. Mr. Muhammad Ahmed watches. Have that in generations. Good ball in your family, and get the support from the has got a job to do here on a big day, final of this.
and what a grandfather will tell him tonight, why didn't you come to bat at number?
What's fascinating though, if you look at his record, he was imperious against now. Tries to take on the bowler. Reflexes by Akbar Ali.
So that should give hope to Shaheens that he can smash it.
Dude, 75 for 5, the Shaheens. Big appeal! Big appeal! Aldo-esque celebration for Rakibul as well.
Well, he was itching for that big base. 21 deliveries before that, and a little low and didn't get it. And that is a big blow. The partnership of 11 runs been broken. Are 75 for 6.
This is the attack that bundled out Afghanistan A for 78.
Slog sweep. That was an
This hit will relieve some pressure from him and the team. 4 overs to be bowled. And Pakistan, rightly so.
shot. They find the gap.
Beautifully struck, waited, with timing. Just have a look at this on a timing. Gets to the boundary in a flash.
We will have a game in our hand.
There's only one way to put some pressure. Bowl well and take your chances. Exactly.
Rob bowled out. Ripon Mondal got couple of overs left. Zakleen got... Ripon Mondal did make a change in Mithun Joy coming into the side in place of Abu Hai through the overs. So that's an indication how helpful the pitch is. Comes down the track. Shahid Aziz. Two is the call. And probably sometimes this has played for Bangladesh in a ODI. He'll be hard done by. Followed him, saw Saad Prasip. It's all about the rising stars. Ripon Mondal as a long on in place, but it'll clear him. Square for my liking. It went straight.
To come. Well struck, that is.
Powerful player, Shahid Azizi. Pace, that's good comeback.
This time seems as if he is push fast bowlers when hit the ground, down the ground.
Last ball, picks up the slower deliveries. That's an excellent hit. Probably just broke the shackles a little bit for the Shaheens, and that's what picked up the slow delivery and smashed it all along on. Slow ball. Comeback, good comeback.
This is good cricket from this pair. So rotating the strike, and this is the last six. It wasn't ideal, and Saad Masood was in ideal position to smack it for six.
Shot, and it clears him. Yet the area on.
Saad Masood certainly turns the heat. Pakistan in the last 8 deliveries have scored 22 runs. You cross the 140 line, and definitely there's a momentum changer.
Outside edge, and the third man fielder is caught all wicket to wicket. Tricky but mighty effective.
Experiment with the line and length in these last overs. You're just bowling within the stumps in the previous game. Here you have seen batters to get runs and get quick ones.
Saad Masood had a valuable leg spinners, 18 wickets, 18 runs, 39 of 20 deliveries. Last 18 deliveries, certainly the momentum.
Be a momentum breaker as well. So we have seen
Netherlands back. Should have been a single.
fielders coming from the circle. This is always one where single is on, and this is Pakistan would want these last 14 balls to end up in at least.
Yorker pumps it down the ground. Good wicket all round. Decent delivery, good hit, and even better fielding. 13 runs of 5 deliveries.
Momentum to break. They are dancing.
Rising Stars Asia Cup. Everyone. This time too. 19 overs gone, 116 for 6. All the VIPs, they're so happy. So, good Yorker. Good Yorker, that's through.
It even better. And Shahid Aziz misses this one.
That's much better. In doubt, Ripon Mondal is good when he's close. Hemant, the big mistake by Aziz was good down the ground. Why play that risk?
Moment of brain phrase. This is not how you do it. Strike goes for a right in front of the middle stump. An easy decision for the umpire.
Of the game. Ahmed Daniel, the all-rounder. He can. Good bouncer, very good bouncer. That is over the shoulder and over the head as well.
Yeah, clearly on the one of the over, but this was brilliant. Once again, block hole, and when the pressure comes, he delivers.
How much done he can be? Is it close? Is it close? Or probably outside the. He's made up his mind that's outside the yaw stump.
Ripon, most wickets in the DP World Asia Cup, 9 for him. Rakibul.
Bowling, nice and full. Is the informed Saad Masood.
Once again, another huge dent to the Pakistan Shaheens' progress. The man they were looking at this straight and full. You miss and I hit, and that a special bowler all throughout. Saad Masood, a fighting 38 for him.
Saad Masood, what a massive wicket that was. IPS is having a very close look of the proceedings. Nice and full and bold aim. Ripon wickets, and this time as well, it's bold.
Fabulous. Ripon, 3 for 25, is ripping through the Pakistan team to react. Just have a look at this. Hits middle. That is accurate.
Above, young man. You've been sensational. Ubaid Shah. Face the music at number 11 and mid-off. Ripon on a hat-trick. Full toss. Finds the field direction. Slow ball. Running the first one hard. Keen to bat out the next 5 deliveries or even take a single.
Daniel getting 22 of 8 deliveries in the last game. That came.
Oh, slow delivery. Clipped a little bit.
He could have changed ends. Now look at Ripon bowling those Stars Asia Cup.
Good bouncer. Very good bouncer. But certainly, Saklane had some gas in the delivery.
Got the ball flying. Saad Masood after playing a fighting.
Good delivery again. Running the first one hard at deep mid wicket.
Awareness, lack of communication clearly showing.
Yeah, fine leg in the circle clears it. The choice of delivery from Saklane when you have fine leg in the circle.
Is with this, Mukeem, not him, but good for Pakistan, getting them 4 valuable.
Trying to bowl the slow ball bouncer, but somehow the slower delivery again, and it's a run out. Cool under pressure, and bullseye it goes, and third 5, I reckon going into the break. Bangladesh will
Any time, even before the toss, 125 all out from Bangladesh bowlers. Great execution of the plans that they had, spins and giving nothing away to the batters, and so good was Clan on the other end in the 18th.
12 boundaries, 4 sixers in the 20. They all missed out, as well as Ghazi Gori got a promotion. Arafat looked good for his 20.
Sadakat just 2, Ghazi and Sadakat 23, Arafat Sadakat 20.
To bat, they're going to score 126 in the allotted 20 overs. Not going to be easy. Akbar Ali led Bangladesh. They're going to make 126 in the allotted.
With what has happened so far, won the toss, decided to field for Rahman. So on 33rd match for him. I've got Mazhar with me. Mazhar, sitting pretty.
Another half about to start, and Bangladesh need to start well. Good start from Ubaid. Bangladesh is also the 3rd highest run scorer in the tournament.
He has to play 20 overs. This is exactly what.
Gives it a charge. Habibur Rahman shot.
He sends a message that I'm going to play the way I know. Bats aggressively, chasing a big target. That was.
Khan loves to swing his bat. Was there to be hit as well. Good pace. Good delivery. Driven straight to the fielder. So far, Vaibhav Suryavanshi right at the top with 22 sixes.
Yes, for a big one, given his team.
That was great. Led from the front. And that consistency is worked away on the onside. And strike. He's also someone who loves to play his shots. Dropped a couple of catches. Good delivery. He wanted to take. Umpires, however, will go upstairs.
He wants to be sure. It's the finals. They don't.
Bat dragged well in. Habibur Rahman's not out. So yeah, it's a good start for Bangladesh after first over. Back of a length delivery. Time. He's trying to play according to the merit of the ball.
10 wickets for Shahid Aziz. Economy on the.
Short ball. Pulled away.
They should be happy. Bangladesh. This was too short for some time. Aziz track.
Huge shot. Huge shot.
Move. Pakistan is going down the leg. That's
Another slow delivery.
run rate that you were talking about in the first 6 overs. If they get that run rate today, it's smart. The ball was there to be hit.
Bangladesh need him. Rafat Minhas.
This is Panic return was no back to it.
Hong Kong, especially against someone like Arafat Minhas. Bolts. E2 gets off the mark. Yeah,
94, not out his best strike rate of 130.
Quick from Arafat Minhas. After 5, Bangladesh A, 40.
Got missed out with the bat. Very handy with the ball.
Not, but that delivery gave him the wicket. Can you believe it?
I think the spinners who have been successful are the ones bowling wicket yet to come. I think that will be the trump card for you.
What a day to bring you best performance. Looking at
Good start by Sadakat. Almost a full house. The VIPs having a good. And here comes Sufyan Mukim. Left arm wrist spinner. Khan has the opportunity to have 5 fielders outside. On the leg side. Whipped away for a single.
7 wickets in this DP World Asia Cup. Rising star. And it's the big stage. The final.
Something that I've certainly picked up from Sufyan Mukim. He was
3 for 12 against Sri Lanka. He was unplayable and he just 5. The score here 8 for Masood and Sufyan Mukim.
Mahmood Khan wants by Sufyan Mukim. Right length, right line, right pace. Akbar Ali. And
He indicated Maha. And from here it looks all set. It's not out. It was a slight celebration.
right decision is not out. And make sure he's also relaxed. Yeah, we can feel the pressure everywhere. Was press. It's not out. We live another day.
Not out.
The third umpire right throughout the tournament have on the leg side, pitching outside the leg.
Pressure on the Bangladesh. I don't know what the appeal has been made.
On the leg side again. Before it was beautifully bowled just outside the yaw stump, turning over. That's better and clean bowled, castled by Sufyan.
Into the mind of the skipper Akbar Ali, who chops it totally unplayable, goes away from him. He just drags it back onto his stumps, and Sufyan Mukim enjoys that. And his celebrations for him into they are struggling 44 for 4.
Putting in the shoes. In at number 6. Little too straight. One end. Sufyan Mukim, he just can't stop taking.
Yeah, Mehrab out in the middle. And strike rate of 100 in the end.
He's off the mark. To Akbar Ali's defences.
Yeah, well, Kraft, Bangladesh on the back foot. Through the spinners of the Shaheens. So far, it hasn't been easy go.
Even in the semi-final, wicket to wicket, almost unplayable until Milan Ratna players. In the air and straight to extra cover. Going around the entire tournament, straight at him, and he gobbles
without a wicket, and he too has been given a wicket. The process just gives away an easy catch. Hyde has been back in the dugout. Look at that, using the feet, not to the pitch of the ball, among the wickets as well. The spinners are having a wonderful time out in the middle for A of 48 for 5.
Already in the 8th over, 6 bowlers been used. Mahfuz Rahman. Much experience, but certainly it looked close, but probably the bounce, maybe.
Wicket, last ball of Sadakat's over.
And got to question the shot making of 2 of the senior players of Bangladesh. Yasir Ali. Net required rate is. Is it out? Is it out? Even the bowler, wicket keeper, everyone in the 30-yard circle.
Well, the height.
close. Shot. Oh, missed out. Mahfuzur.
Just a quicker one, and there is a slip fielder. Irfan Khan Niazi is put.
Two deliveries, two close calls. Every need.
Aja Faik,
On the leg
bowling.
side, I thought Mahfuz in the middle was he's in handful, isn't he? He got everything. He got the guy. He got. The Bangladeshi batter's got to be a little.
And you might just think that something might come.
Can't bring in long off into the circle, challenging the batter. If he wants to go. Solid defense.
Bowling, bowling, ball.
With that single brings up the 50 for Bangladesh. I know it's done. At the moment, Pakistan Shaheen bowlers are dominating and bossing in the middle. What an opportunity for him to be a hero.
Almost brought his team home. Unfortunate decision at the end, but then I think that was heroic because he smashed 48 of 18 against India A. Running shot now.
Shot.
And the concern for out in the middle, take the game deep, and they do have.
Take the game deep. That will be the call by Dave. Focus is remained, but at the moment, what Bangladesh shots when it's not needed.
Yeah, well, this is the 8th.
Easy single with only 3 fielders. Every run being applauded.
And you call that bigger play, a big shot. Just take to the spinners and 4 to the pacers.
Beautiful ball, Googly.
Lost 3 wickets. Oh, that's scored as well. Pakistan spinners. Rishi, out to the Pakistan spinners. They've bowled their wickets.
You may as well slap another googly. Going for the drop. Mahfuzur Rahman Rabi goes after scoring 3. Well, the team in red.
Laid all over this one. It went through the gate. Brilliant bowling. Another one. Bowling. Good captaincy as well.
You may as well give him admission to Hogwarts. What a outfoxed by the googly once more. It's an action replay through for Sufyan Mukim. Wow. 3 for 7. Can Rakibul put? Perhaps you can rely on him. That's the hope.
Pressure. How?
Don't forget the talent. It's about what's between. Who's the one that can, if you pull the phrase.
These are the games. You show your mental strength. 3 for 3 in his turn.
And it's prompted a mass exodus. Sufyan Mukim literally turned the game on its head. Rakibul goes for the sweep. Now that's a shame there is a boundary. After 42 deliveries, much needed. They have lost 30 deliveries. 69 needed of 50.
Pakistani bowlers. Ball beautifully.
Saad, this could be an option.
Situations, if you play shots like that.
Of 18. That's not the order. That's not what you require. You require shortish delivery.
Some pressure. Missed it completely, but this is what happens.
Again goes for the sweep. Boundaries of Rakibul's bat, both sweeps.
Looks like. So thought, game is running away from us. Let's do something different.
Goes towards the down.
Is Rakibul. Yeah, on the bat, hard at the ball. And that is why it carried over, sent a message to the spinner.
Rakibul.
Yeah, that's counter-attack from Rakibul.
Goes for the double bluff and Rakibul picks it up. Brilliant, 16 off it. In dots in 18 deliveries. Oh no!
Beauty of a game.
Big appeal! Big appeal there! Sufyan Mukim on the floor.
Then the bowler trying to put pressure on the umpire. The bowler down. Mukim does get that bomb.
What was the height? Because if it was an inside edge, he would have been
Strike.
full toss this time.
Fourth over. 18 dot ball.
He's bowling a spell like Rakibul did, bowling out a maiden.
And Mehrob doing the right thing.
Boundary. The guile from Mehrob. At the end of 13, 77 for 7. Seven for 7, but who's going to go into 7th heaven? Ahmad Danial comes in for his first. 7-point difference between 49 and 42 as well.
Hold on.
Watchful. Akbar Ali away. But what did the batters do after that? They fell victim to pace on wicket and deep square leg. Saad Masood collects.
Pakistan Shaheen's captain has handled his bowler because
Yeah, got a game against the UAE in didn't really matter much. Again, a bump ball. Boy, has he made a change. If you take a look at who has won this trophy, lots at stake. Slower delivery. Mehrob just stick.
yeah, they've got to take this game deep. Bangladesh.
Almost Rakibul, who isn't a recognized batter as such, is the one that. Oh, nicely done. In. Cuts away. Stick.
Defensive in the first one. Went for 13 in his first.